Creating and activating the second employee in vipeople. Hello and welcome back. Welcome to vipeople, the community-driven HR management system designed to easily deploy on your own infrastructure, keep you independent from third-party providers, provide complete control over your data and processes, allow quick setup with just one click. In our previous video, you successfully created your first employee. Today, we'll guide you through creating and activating your second employee. The system will automatically assign the direct supervisor role once you specify who their manager is. Upon logging in, this employee will have access to managerial functions. Creating the second employee. After logging in with your admin account, create your second employee exactly as you did with the first. Crucially, make sure to clearly indicate who the direct supervisor is during the creation process. Based on this selection, the system will automatically assign the manager role. After creation, your second employee will appear in the employees list with a pending status. Activating the employee. There are two ways to activate an employee. Method A. From the Employees page, detailed in this video. Select the newly created employee, click Action menu, Login Permission Enable, and confirm. Method B. From the dashboard, covered in the previous video. Just like you did with the first employee. After activation, you'll notice that the department dashboard automatically updates its colors based on your latest data, making management intuitive and visually engaging. Experiencing admin and manager roles. When an employee logs in with the manager role, their personalized dashboard will display check-in and check-out attendance, tracking leave requests, overtime requests, health information updates. Additionally, managers will have visibility and management capabilities. When logged in as admin, you'll manage all employees and have access to complete administrative functionalities for all employees they supervise. All these functions are directly accessible and easy to use from their personal dashboard. Congratulations, you've successfully created your second employee, activated them, and automatically assigned them a managerial role. Don't forget to spread the word about vipeople among your community, friends, and partners. vipeople helps you effectively manage your HR needs securely, freely, and independently. Join us again in our next video, where we'll explore in-depth the roles of employees, managers, and administrators. Visit vipeople.netlify.app to download the installation package. Need help? Use the support menu directly within the system. vipeople, the HR for a new generation.